Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin right now by documenting everything. Take clear photos of the box, labels, and the item from several angles so you have evidence. Next, find and scan any QR, UPC, or serial number. This gives you a digital clue to verify. While you scan, check the seller's history and price against retail. A large discount often signals copy. Once done, save screenshots and receipts so you can compare details in the next step. Once you have records, cross-check serial and model numbers on the manufacturer's website or official support channels. This tells you if the unit was registered or reported. Then inspect micro details, logo placement, font weight, seam spacing, and material texture, using a magnifier or macro photos because fakes often fail on fine craftsmanship. After that, run functional tests that matter. Speeds, charging, sound, or fit. Compare measurable. If checks raise doubts, contact the manufacturer with your photos, serial, and purchase proof. They can confirm authenticity or flag counterfeit batches. If confirmed fake, initiate a return and refund through the seller platform and keep all communications. Otherwise, escalate to your payment provider or consumer protection agency. One troubleshooting tip: if the manufacturer won't respond, try community forums or paid authentication services and keep a timeline of every step. That evidence makes disputes and chargebacks far more effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.